The best writers make it look so easy, don't they? We imagine them sitting in their coffee shops pouring out page after page of effortless prose. And you might be berating yourself, just like I did in the early days, for not being able to do the same thing. It seemed like everything I put out was just riddled with errors. The words wouldn't flow, and I had to actually work to do anything halfway decent. At best, I had something halfway serviceable, with a spark here and there. At worst, I had something grey and uninteresting, devoid of life and character, the literary equivalent of an electric car or kissing your sister. But don't worry, if this is you, then congratulations. Not only are you actually writing, but you've taken your place amongst everyone from the local flower show correspondent to the New York Times bestseller list. So let me put you at ease and give you a tip, something that worked for me. Before we do that, before we go into it, go ahead, hit subscribe, hit the bell icon, keep up to date with all my news, views, tips, tricks, information, everything you need to get ahead and improve your writing game. Let's get started. The tip is not so much a tip as a truth. Two truths. One, your first draft is almost always crap. And two, writing is a process. First drafts are almost always crap. And you know what? That's okay. Don't beat yourself up if you don't create a masterpiece on your first attempt. Chances are you probably won't. Whether it's a blog piece, an article, an essay, a short story, or a longer work, the process remains the same. Get your ideas down on paper first, then go back and make your changes. Trust me, I've spent a lot of time on rewriting material that I was too embarrassed to show anybody. But the other truth is this: the more you write, the more you practice your craft, the more your unique style will become ingrained. You will learn how to start. You will learn which hook resonates better if it's sales copy that you're doing. You will learn how to bridge one paragraph to another so that it doesn't sound forced. You will learn what works and what doesn't. And better yet, your own writing time will be cut down. And I can promise you this: the more you practice, the more your own unique style will start to show. And the more you do it, the less crappy your first draft will be. Oh, it might still be something you don't want to show the rest of the world, but less so. Your cleaning time will decrease, your process will become more streamlined, and above all, you will enjoy yourself much more. So practice. And if you're having an issue with any particular aspect of writing, let me know in the comments below. So until next time, remember that all writing is a set of tools. Pick the ones that work for you. Listen to the people who have gone before. Cheers.